Hey, it's Delina. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to view the long-awaited studio makeover. The studio was once a shed in the back of our lot. It's 11 by 14. It was in scary rough shape. We had an opportunity. A hurricane had come through and knocked out the power, had caused some damage. Through insurance money and friends that have skills, that are labored skills, we managed to take a very ugly, nasty building and turn it into a beautiful art studio for myself where I can create, be away from the house. It's quiet out here, uninterrupted. Lots of space, lots of storage. So the video that you're gonna see is from beginning to end. I will pop in a little bit and voice over and narrate, but for the most part, you're just gonna view week by week the changes that took place in it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If this is the kind of content that you look forward or enjoy viewing, please consider subscribing to my channel. I have many makeovers, decorate with me's, tips and tricks of keeping your house organized. Thanks so much. Here's the exterior of the shed in the very beginning. Nothing special, not really in that bad of shape. So here's the shed before. This is just a rough, paneled outbuilding that's in the back of our house that I am looking to renovate into my space where I can create and be separate from the house. Very, very rough shape. Here we see a little more work's done. We've cleared it out. We've gotten rid of the paneling, the old insulation. It's a cleaner start. It still has a long ways to go. Insulation in, electrical started to be roughed out, little by little. Here's where the holes for the lighting have been cut. We're making decisions on finishing touches. Outside the building, lights have been installed. Here's the reveal. As you can see, beadboard has been added and painted. A mirror. The air conditioning has been placed into the wall along with the instant hot water heater. Window treatments. Cabinets have been hung. Shelving has been put up. Just a night and day difference. Obviously, decorations. This bookshelf that you see in the corner had been in this shed. It was just in terrible shape. We had fixed it up, stained it, polyurethaned it, and now it's a wonderful place to display stuff. The flooring came from Lowe's. It was only $1.29 a square foot. The ceiling had been redone. The ceiling fan came from Amazon. It's programmable, beautiful ceiling fan. Then you see my work table that I can do large projects upon. The stand was made by my husband's grandfather. The rug came from Ross. The wall paint is Magnolia Paints, Cinnamon Sugar. The desk you're seeing was handmade by my son for me specifically for this space. The stain was Dark Walnut by Valspar. And here you see a mini refrigerator, my copier, my bins for storage, storing my canvases. And then I give you the view of where I look out, where I would work and what I would see. Thank you so much for viewing this video, and I hope you have a great day.